Welcome to this video on using generative AI in e-commerce. After watching this video, you'll be able to explain how generative AI is transforming e-commerce by automating workflows, enhancing customer interactions, and personalizing shopping experiences. You will also be able to identify key AI-driven tools that improve customer engagement. Additionally, you will understand how AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants are revolutionizing customer engagement. Finally, you will explore the integration of augmented reality and predictive personalization to create immersive shopping experiences. Imagine logging into your favorite online store, and before you even start searching, an AI-powered assistant welcomes you. It remembers your preferences, suggests items based on your past purchases, and even curates a shopping experience just for you. On this note, let's look into the use of generative AI in e-commerce, which is revolutionizing the way that we shop, interact, and engage with online businesses. Generative AI is transforming e-commerce by streamlining operations and enhancing customer experiences. Businesses leverage AI to automate workflows, optimize inventory tracking, and provide seamless customer support. AI-driven shopping assistants personalize recommendations, while chatbots offer real-time support, improving engagement and driving efficiency. Think of an online clothing store where, when you enter the website or app, a generative AI chatbot welcomes you and recommends outfits based on your past purchases and browsing history. It acts as a shopping assistant throughout your store journey, enhancing your shopping experience and making personalized recommendations instantly. Moving forward to personalized shopping experiences, AI can analyze vast amounts of data collected with every click, every second spent browsing, and every wishlist item. This data is used to create hyper-personalized shopping experiences, similar to how streaming platforms curate your watch list based on viewing history. AI-powered recommendation engines, such as Constructor.io, analyze visitor purchases, browsing history, and demographics to deliver precise product suggestions. These engines provide highly personalized website layouts tailored to individual user preferences. The recommendation engine search results showcase the most relevant products for each customer, while personalized email marketing campaigns deliver targeted promotions and product updates. Additionally, AI suggests complementary products that align with past purchases, increasing the likelihood of additional sales. For example, an online bookstore can use AI to recommend books based on your previous purchases and reviews. Let's look at improving customer engagement. Generative AI is redefining customer engagement, making online shopping more interactive and intuitive. AI-powered chatbots provide 24/7 support, answering queries and resolving issues instantly. AI-driven virtual assistants guide customers toward the best product based on their needs and preferences. AI can personalize interactions by analyzing previous conversations and behaviors, leading to a more tailored and efficient customer service experience. For example, a travel portal can embed an AI agent within its portal to help potential customers find the right travel package and even customize the package based on the customer's needs. A well-crafted product description is key to attracting customers and boosting sales. Generative AI can create engaging, informative descriptions that highlight key features, benefits, and use cases while optimizing for search engines. AI-generated descriptions can be tailored to match a brand's tone, translated into multiple languages for a global reach, and optimized for SEO to enhance product visibility. Instead of a plain, uninspiring product description like blue cotton shirt, AI can craft something more engaging, such as experience all-day comfort and effortless style with this soft, breathable blue cotton t-shirt. Perfect for casual wear, this versatile piece will become a wardrobe staple. You can use generative AI tools like ChatGPT or Gemini to create compelling product descriptions, including titles and meta descriptions, by providing effective prompts to these tools. For example, a well-crafted prompt like, "Give me a compelling product description in 50 words for my cotton shirts available in sizes small, large, extra large, and double extra large in 5 colors: white, sky blue, navy blue, baby pink, and olive green. Made of 100% natural, sustainably grown cotton, they are wrinkle-free," generates high-quality content that enhances product appeal. AI can use these detailed inputs to create tailored, SEO-friendly descriptions that not only attract customers, but also improve search rankings. As generative AI continues to advance, The possibilities for e-commerce are endless. Generative AI is already being used to generate high-quality product images without professional photography, and it's enhancing omni-channel experiences across devices and platforms. Future advancements will bring even more immersive experiences, such as integrating AI with virtual and augmented reality to provide interactive and personalized shopping experiences. AI will also refine predictive personalization, anticipating customer needs before they even arise. Imagine a future where you no longer need to visit a furniture store to find the perfect piece for your home. Instead, you interact with an AI agent, sharing your home's layout and preferences. The AI provides personalized interior design recommendations, suggesting furniture and decor that match your style. Using augmented reality, you can then visualize these pieces in your space before making a purchase, ensuring they fit seamlessly into your home. Generative AI is transforming e-commerce by making shopping more personalized, interactive, and efficient. From recommendation engines to AI-powered customer support, the future of online shopping is smarter and more intuitive than ever before. As AI technology continues to evolve, businesses that embrace these innovations will stay ahead in the competitive e-commerce landscape. In this video, you learned that generative AI is revolutionizing e-commerce by automating workflows, enhancing customer engagement, and creating hyper-personalized shopping experiences. You explored how AI-powered recommendation engines, chatbots, and virtual assistants are reshaping the way businesses interact with customers, improving efficiency and satisfaction. Additionally, you looked into the role of AI in crafting compelling product descriptions, optimizing search visibility, and delivering tailored marketing campaigns. Finally, you identified the future of AI in e-commerce, including its integration with augmented reality to create immersive shopping experiences.